Now I'm going to show you the channel's earnings, and after seeing that, if you really want to do something in life, then you will learn to make this content today and also upload your first video. You can see that this channel is earning $1,600 to $26,000 per month just by uploading short videos, and it is earning from $181,000 to $2.9 million per year. No one is working in this niche yet, and its revenue is also very high. Let me show you the channel's content and views. You can see that its most popular video has received 147 million views, and other videos also have views in the millions. Now let's check the total views of this channel. For that, I will click on More. Here you can see that this channel has 716,000 subscribers. It has uploaded 333 shorts, and each short takes only 5 minutes to make. Its total views are over 720 million. Now let's play a video to see this channel content. Let's move towards step 1, which is, for finding content, simply open YouTube. Now click on the search bar and search Frame Order. Open the first channel that is showing. Here you'll get unlimited long videos from which we can make shorts. From every video, you can create at least 8 to 10 shorts. This channel also uploads new videos every 2 to 3 days, so there's no shortage of content at all. Simply, whichever video you like, just download it. I can't show the downloading method in video because it's against YouTube's policy. If you don't know to download video, then no worries. There are countless videos on YouTube. You can learn from there, so I simply download a video. Now let's move towards step 2, which is to trim video into small clips. I am using Video Crop app. You can use any app you want. So I will simply click on it and open it. Now I click on Crop Video, and the long video that I just downloaded, I import it. Now I trim a complete funny scene. Then I click on the Save option at the top, and the clip that we trimmed will be automatically saved in the gallery. Now let's move toward the third step, which is for overlay laughing video. I simply open VidMate. Now I click on the search bar. Now you have to search Zayas laughing. Now this interface will show. You simply have to download the second number video, the one with 7 seconds duration. Now let's move towards the fourth step, which is for background music. I simply open VidMate. Now I click on the search bar. Then I search for Zio's laughing music. And after that, this interface will show up. Download the first video that is showing on top, but download it in audio because we only need the background music. Now let's move towards the final and the most important step, which is now for making video. Let's open CapCut. Now click on New Project. Now the clip that we just trimmed from the video, click on it and import it. Now simply scroll towards the right. Now click on Aspect Ratio and choose 9:16 from here because we are making a short video. Now scroll on the timeline and come to the end of the video. Now click on the video and click on Split and delete the extra part of the video. Now come back to the start of the video. Now click on the back option. Now scroll to the right side and click on the overlay option. Now click on Add Overlay. Click on the funny video we downloaded and imported. Now you can see that the second video is also imported into the timeline. Now I come a little forward and scroll to the right side and go to the end. Now here I click on the freeze option. Now you can see that the start of the video is frozen. Now I will drag the funny scene and bring it to the end, so that when the funny scene comes at the end of the video, this funny scene from below plays at that time. Now I go back to the start and drag the freeze part to the whole timeline, so that it looks like this person is also watching the video throughout. Now I drag this person downward and move the first video a little up. and zoom it a little so the video shows clearly and it's easier for the viewer to watch. Now I click on the bottom layer and also zoom it and set it slightly towards the bottom. Now you can see the video is almost set. Now I click on audio, and here I click on sounds. Now here I click on the second option, the file manager one. Now I click on the device option and scroll down to import the audio that we just downloaded. Here, look, this is our audio. Now I simply click on the plus option and the audio itself gets imported into the timeline. Now I drag this audio to the start. Now I scroll to the end of the video and zoom the unfreeze part of the funny video and set it on the video. Now I play the video. At the end of the video, you can hear two sounds. That's because the unfreeze part has its own sound. For this, I will take the cursor to the unfreeze part of the video and click on the background music that I added below. Now I click on split and break the audio into two parts and delete the background music under the unfreeze video. Now I play the video from the end. Now you can see the double sound problem has been solved. Now I come to the end of the video and tap on the CapCut outro that is showing and delete it. Now I click on the text option and then click on Add Text. Now on the second number, I will get the fonts option. I click on it and select the Larkin font from here. Now to build suspense, I write a good text so that when this video appears in the short feed, people see the text and get curious to watch the video. Now I drag this text and adjust it on the black portion above the video. Now I drag this text layer to the start of the video so that the text shows throughout the whole video. Then I drag it to the end portion as well. Now I go back to the start of the video and scroll down to the right side and click on the filters option. Now I select a filter according to my video and click on the tick to confirm. Now I click on the bottom layer and scroll down again and click on Adjust. Now from here, I click on the contrast option and increase it so that the freeze part looks better in quality. Now I simply click on the tick and our video is ready. So now I simply click on Export and export it.